Discover the power of AI in script editing and YouTube video creation with ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, ChatGPT makes it easy by asking you to simply describe your idea and then creating a script for you. Imagine having a full 5-minute YouTube script written for you in just minutes. In a recent project, we asked ChatGPT to generate a script on exploring abandoned places and were blown away by the impressive results. With ChatGPT, you can save time and effort by letting the AI do the heavy lifting of script writing on your YouTube channel. You can use ChatGPT to write a full YouTube script for any video that you have in mind, and then just add in the other sections that you want to include. ChatGPT has gone ahead and done the full script to make the video that we want to make. This is the script that we're going to read. Today, we are going to explore abandoned places. It can be an exhilarating experience, but it's important to prioritize safety and take appropriate precautions. For instance, wearing sturdy shoes is essential to protect your feet from any sharp objects or debris. Additionally, bringing a first aid kit is highly recommended in case of any accidents or injuries. Before setting out on your exploration, it's important to let someone know where you're going and when you plan to return. This can be a family member or friend who can check in on you and raise an alarm in case of any emergency. When exploring abandoned places, it's important to be constantly aware of your surroundings. Look out for potential hazards such as broken glass, sharp objects, unstable floors, and loose structures. Always move with caution and avoid touching anything unless you're certain it's safe to do so. You see that we've made a YouTube script on exploring abandoned places. You see you can also ask GPT to write a lengthy script for you. So if you want to write a long script for a video, you can use that ChatGPT tool. Whenever you want to expand your video, just paste the text you just copied into your video and ask ChatGPT to write it for you. So whenever you want to add another section to your video, just copy the text from here and ask ChatGPT to expand it. It's really easy to get a really detailed script using ChatGPT. You can copy and paste this text into your video and ask ChatGPT to add more information. So we can expand our script quickly by asking ChatGPT to expand that paragraph for us. So basically, if you want to make a lengthy script, you don't have to use a lot of time, because if you have a lot of good ideas, you don't have to spend a lot of money to produce it. You could use that same tool to expand the content of your YouTube video as much as you like, and then you could even add some content that you don't want to have in there. So that's really easy. We just need to copy this paragraph over here to our YouTube video, and then we can go to ISO safety measures, and so we can just copy this and then go to that to the chat box. We could copy that and put it in this place, or we could do it in any other place. You can create very long and detailed scripts for your videos by just asking ChatGPT to write it for you. And again, that would be useful for any other part of your script. So if someone wants to talk more about explore abandoned places, just copy that in here and ask ChatGPT to go ahead and do that. It will do that for you. When you ask Chat to create a full-length YouTube script or blog post for you, it does that pretty quickly. You won't get very much content if you ask ChatGPT to generate a full-length YouTube script.
Ooh, that's kind of small. Yikes.
The original script. You'll get a lot more content. So now you can copy and paste the script that ChatGPT generated and go ahead and create a video that is as long as you want. Pictory is going to be the tool that we'll be making use of to make a video from our script. We're using one of the best scripting video tools you can use. It's intuitive and easy to use. It's very easy to use, and they have a free trial available if you want to try it out. If that works for you, there are a couple of different ways in which you can turn the content that you write into a short video. You could convert text into videos, or you could do things like adding text to a video. But for the purpose of this example, we're going to use the script to video template. If you click on that, it will take you to the video editor. Next, here paste the full script that you wrote for your YouTube video. I've already written a Google Doc with the script that I compiled. I'm just going to copy the whole thing and put it under the video script tool in Pictory. You can also click on the video script tool 2 tab and try to turn that into a short video. It will show us how many characters we have, and it will allow us to do a spell check once we have your script. You could then proceed to the next step, which is to select a video style. Pictory offers many different video styles like animated, live action, and whiteboard. You can even choose an animation for the background of your video. That way, you can completely tailor the look of your video to fit your brand and aesthetic. You then move on to the next step, and that is adding music and sound effects to your video. Pictory offers a huge library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you are able to use. You can select music and sound effects that you like, but if there is something that you like, you can upload it after you add your script. You will be able to preview your video and make any final edits before you export it. You can export your video easily by clicking here. Once you export your audio and video, you can then upload it to YouTube or any other video platform. With ChatGPT, you can create engaging scripts for YouTube videos and other content, and with Pictory, you can turn that into a super simple video. If you have a YouTube channel, ChatGPT and Pictory for free can help you create more engaging professional videos. So go ahead and try it out, and stay tuned for more great videos.